So, this house has been smelling very, very, weird. So, like, the other day I was like, walking, of course. What's that noise? Yo. No, this is not. This is not. Wait, let me go check. It's gone. No, it's not. I think there's a false alarm. Bro, this gave me such. Bro, I was running from my life. This is not real. No, this is actually. It happened. I just hit myself. Again? Oh. You guys hear that? You guys could hear that. Right? Did you guys see that? I think I'm just tripping, man. The fire alarm. Seriously, is it downstairs, upstairs? Yo.
There is so much smoke.
So much.
I am not kidding.
It's all gonna be okay. This is not fake. It's real. Oh, real. No. I'm not checking the kitchen. Oh, there's so much smoke. There's so much smoke. There's so much smoke. There is so much smoke.